Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm participating in another collaboration and it's called My Tray Display. It's hosted by Zane from At Home with Zane, and he asked us to show how we put together a tray. I found this tray from a Goodwill. Let me show you. Hope you can see it. It's $2.99. And in order it to become a real tray, I attached this type of roundy things, which are simply hairstyling items. I found this whole pack for $1, and I attached 4 of them, which means 2 items like this to the sides to make feet for my tray, as I wanted to have the same color, like transparent. I also have colorful ones. Now let's put together these items that I have here. First, I'm gonna use candle. I've received this candle long time ago from my paralegal classmate. Here is the panda bear with its cute baby bear. Baby bear is missing one of the eyes. Sorry. I'm gonna add it. It goes on top of this Dollar Tree item. I'm going to place it like so on my tray in the corner, in the right corner, and the bear candle will go on top of it. I found this again from Dollar Tree and added 1 golden candle, battery operated one, and chocolates that match by color, the golden ones here. This one is also again from Dollar Tree, so I'm going to place them in the middle of my tray. And on the left side I'm going to put this, the second one, and then to add this flower vase, or maybe it's a glass, I'm not sure. Again, I added some cattails, but they will be symbolizing the bamboos that the panda bear loves. So I'm placing this on the left side. And I added 1 daffodil here. Of course, it's artificial again. And my tray is ready to welcome my guests. Hope they like it. And here is my tray from the side. As you can see, the feet look cute. And if you like it as well, please don't forget to put your thumbs up and write your comments. And subscribe to my channel if you are new. I love doing DIYs, trash to treasure videos, some hauls, some cooking and baking, which I haven't done for a while, for a long time. And I just noticed this bear candle has so many bamboo trees in the back of it. Well, thank you, Zane, again for inviting everybody. It was an open invitation, so hopefully lots of ladies participate, and I will put the link below this video in the description box. Please check it out, because Zane is going to have the playlist, and hopefully I can make it to the playlist because I'm recording this one day late. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.